Well, I've seen so many people hacking at their Nissan Frontier replace their interior lights with an LED. Just one or two simple things, those things out of there without breaking anything. Start at the pivot with your levering, slide to the center of vehicle, and use a plastic levering tool. This is the pivot, this is the tab, and this is a thumb. That is, you take your tool and you put it on the right hand side for this one and push it down, and then oops, broke the side, just like that, and then you kind of pull it down and to the right. Installation is kind of the reverse, where you first have to go to the pivot points, make sure they're set on those round pivots right there, like that. And see, this one you swing up and notice that they're slanted so that they will bend a little bit to go into the slot. In, and then that side's in. Great. And done.
Looking everywhere and wishing on stars.